Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we're going to be making a quick snack, one of my favorites. It's chicken crisps. So what we're going to start off with is some chicken skin, and that's pretty much what it is, right? We're going to crisp up the skin, and it's an amazing snack, especially if you're on the ketogenic diet. So the first thing you want to do is pat down the skin and then salt it with some salt and then some freshly ground black pepper as well. I'm going to go ahead and work on the other pieces. It's a bit finicky to work with, but once you get them as flat as possible, that's pretty much the most work you're going to have to do here. Make sure you don't add too much salt. It's very thin, obviously, so just add a little pinch. Same thing with the black pepper as well. You don't want to add too much. Alright, so we're just going to work on our last piece here. And this is essentially like cost-free, right? Because you're buying chicken anyway. Once it's all good, you're going to take a cast iron pan that's not heated up already. We're going to go ahead and put it on like a medium-high heat, and we'll start adding the skin. Make sure you spread it out just like I have. You're going to see as it's, this is obviously a sped up video, but you can see it's starting to shrink a bit. Some of that fat is starting to render, and that's exactly what you want. Be careful, it's really easy to burn this, so make sure you're standing over the stove. And you'll kind of know when it's starting to sizzle a lot and crisp up that the chicken is almost ready. Chicken crisps, I should say. So it looks like we're getting like a really nice reaction to the heat on the skin, and I think we're just about there. We're going to start removing, and we're going to work on our sauce next. A nice mayo-based sauce is really good with this, so that's what I'm going to do. It's just going to be like a simple, nothing too special, 2 parts mayonnaise and then 1 part of your favorite hot sauce. Give it a nice mix, and then that's pretty much it. You can use a lot of different things, but mayonnaise-based sauce is my favorite. And then lastly, we're just going to go ahead and plate up, and you can save this for later. You can have it right away. It's nice at room temperature too, so if you don't want to eat it right away, you can always just let it sit. I'm going to do some fancy work here. And that'll do it, guys. Thanks a lot, and see you next week. Hello everyone, and welcome back.